Every organization is sitting on sensitive data that has to move, shared with partners, with third parties, with auditors and advisors. But the moment that data leaves the building, most organizations lose visibility, lose control, and have to hope for the best. Introducing Virtru Collaborate.
The Virtru data platform itself is powered by the trusted data format, and TDF itself has unique capabilities. And the thing that makes TDF, the trusted data format, truly unique is that it allows you to protect data. At the same time, it doesn't cause you to lose the ability to be productive with data. So in a world where you have an increasing set of risk, where you really need to pay close attention to data security, but at the same time, in a world where data has to move, data has to be shared with third parties, data has to be shared increasingly with AI agents, you want to have the freedom to turn your data into a source of productivity, but you can't sacrifice security. So how is it that you can have both data in a productive state and data in a secure state? And the answer is you do that with the trusted data format.
Virtru Collaborate is a secure, governed workspace for external file sharing, where access controls, permissions, and audit trails travel with every file, no matter where it goes. Governed collaboration spaces created on demand. Access revoked in seconds. Complete auditability beyond the perimeter. A place where your data can be both protected and productive.
Data becomes both protected and productive. In the past, you could either lock down data where it wasn't very productive, or you were getting value from it, but then you just had to hope that it was secure. And by this combination, you can do more with your data, knowing that it will never get leaked to a machine, to an AI agent, or to a human. It's a really exciting time, amazing new product, and like all of our products, brings world-class user experience design to the table, so it's really easy to get started.
Virtru Collaborate. Security and control. Simple to use, with no compromises. Visit virtru.com to learn more.